Howdy, everybody. What's good? It's LE. This is Underground Law. For those of you that are just tuning in, welcome to the UGL Fam Jam. Here, we're going to discuss and break down certain laws and certain things. All to help you, maneuver around the law, keep your business clean, keep your head down. There's definitely going to be things discussed that the man or the higher ups don't want you to know. That's what I'm here for. I don't care. Try to shut me down, try to shut me up, try to whatever. I'm here for the people, okay? Yeah. With that being said, let's start. So, topic for today is contracts. Did you guys know that not all contracts or agreements are written or documented? Crazy to think that some, if not most, are actually verbal. And you can be held accountable, the same legal repercussions as an actual document agreement. Or, yeah, you know what I mean? I'm just going to spark this up quick, get these, and we'll get right into it. So, yeah, not all contracts are written or documented. So as long as you have two or more witnesses in addition to both parties, a verbal contract is just as legal and can have the same consequences as a written or documented contract or agreement. Ponder that for a minute while I light this. You know what that means, right? That means, I'm going to break it down for you guys. So that means if you're talking to your neighbor and he says he can cut your grass the same time he cuts his grass if you pay him $1,000, and you say okay, and at the end of the summer he's done his diligence, he's cut your grass the same time he's cut his, and you don't pay him. Well, if he were to take you to court and try to sue you, that's hearsay. He said, she said, doesn't get very far with no proof. Now, with that being said, here comes the witnesses. Now, if there's two or more witnesses for either party of this discussion during this agreement, and it still doesn't go through, well then either or party could be sued depending on what the witnesses say. Let's break it down even further. So let's say you're making a bet and you bet somebody $20 that they don't put their head in the ice bucket, okay? And he turns around and goes, I'll put my head in the ice bucket. Slams his head into the ice bucket, okay? Slams his head into the ice bucket. 5 minutes comes, he pulls his head out, you don't pay him. Well, if it's just you two, it's hearsay. If it's witnessed, so if this is at a party, better pay up because he could hit you with legal fees. Could also add some extra things in there to make it legit. But yeah, just letting you guys know that just be careful when you're talking to people. A lot of snakes will say things and they'll catch you into or they'll rope you into a contract or agreement and you don't even know what the heck's going on. Just got to pay attention, guys. Just got to pay attention to what you're doing, who you're talking to. That's always. I always say get an extra set of eyes before you sign anything. I'm telling you. And if it's shady and you got a gut feeling, listen to your gut feeling and get out of there. Now, I have to say that this isn't legal advice. I'm not for that. If you do want legal advice, I suggest talking to a paid, hired lawyer. Even though they're going to tell you a bunch of shit that you probably don't even understand. It's just protocol. I gotta tell you guys to take your issues to a paid, hired lawyer so I don't get fucking shut down. But, yeah. Holla. Anyone needs anything, you know where to find me, you know how to get in touch. I dropped some links down below, accepting donations at forever_always. That's forever with an A _always at hotmail.com. Okay? Password, or I guess question, because it's an e-transfer, is underground law. Password or answer to the question, supporter23. Donations are plenty welcome, and it helps me help you guys keep it out the courtroom. Okay, keep it out the courtroom. Let's do this. Let's have some festivals, some UGL festivals. Okay, let's do this for the youth. Let's do this for the kids. Let's do this for people fucking out there grinding and getting pooped on by the bigger guys. Okay, this is for the little dudes. This is for the little dudes. Be careful out there. Much love. Till the next episode.